Is it time to buy or sell LZB stock? In this video, we are diving deep into LZB. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of August, 2025, our system has ranked LZB as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.85. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.68%. This results in an average return of 0.45% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 11.06% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 21.61% and negative 11.06%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 8.21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 19.79% to positive 7.38% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $31.37 and $42. Our latest daily update for LZB includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for LZB Incorporated. The LZB Incorporated stock price gained 2.01% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. The stock rose from $38.34 to $39.11. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.95%, with a day low at $38.42 and a day high of $39.56. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.95% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, a positive technical indicator, with a total of 327,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 690,000 shares changed hands for approximately $27 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $48.31, while the lowest was $34.93. Currently, the price is 19.04%, or $9.20, below the 52-week high of $48.31, which is also the all-time high for the stock. LZB reported fiscal 2026 first quarter results that reflect modest growth in sales and improved margin metrics. Retail written sales increased by 5%, while delivered sales rose by 2%. Wholesale delivered sales saw a slight uptick of 1%. The generally accepted accounting principles operating margin stood at 4.5%, adjusted to 4.8%, with a diluted earnings per share of 44 cents, adjusting to 47 cents, and operating cash flow reaching $36 million. The company added 2 stores and confirmed plans to acquire 15 Southeast LZB furniture galleries, which represent approximately $80 million in annual sales. This acquisition is expected to close in late October, bringing the total number of company-owned stores to roughly 220, accounting for about 60% of the overall network. Additionally, management successfully transitioned an Arizona distribution center into a centralized hub on the West Coast. In the short term, investors are likely to respond positively to the stock due to steady sales growth, strong cash flow, and the promising merger and acquisition catalyst. News of acquisitions and new store openings can enhance market sentiment and trading activity. However, there are near-term risks related to the integration process and potential margin pressures during this transition. Looking ahead, a larger base of company-owned stores, improved efficiency in distribution, and additional annual sales from the Southeast acquisition should contribute to revenue resilience and margin growth. Nonetheless, the company faces challenges from consumer cyclical demand and elevated mortgage rates, which may limit potential upside. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned LZB a sector weight grade, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned LZB stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for LZB. The chart today indicates mostly positive signals. LZB Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $38.40 and $38.01. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 10.45%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 61 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for LZB. LZB Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $38.76. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock generally exhibits average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.14, which is approximately 2.95%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.24%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for LZB, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of August, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 53 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LZB. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for LZB is at $39.26. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, LZB's first support level is at $38.76. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for LZB from various analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2025, McCurry Jennifer Lynn executed an insider sale of 108 shares of common stock. On the 15th of July, 2025, Lee Carol Young executed an insider sale of 122 shares of common stock. On the 26th of June, 2025, Whittington Melinda D. executed an insider sale of 6,739 shares of common stock. On the 28th of June, 2025, Whittington Melinda D. executed an insider sale of 3,573 shares of common stock. On the 26th of June, 2025, Vanderjagt Catherine E. executed an insider sale of 534 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 52.083. In total, insiders acquired 264,514 shares and disposed of 77,332 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.54, representing a decline of 4.01%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is LZB stock a good buy? Despite being in a declining trend, several short-term signals are positive. This leads us to conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we expect LZB to open lower by approximately 8 cents and start trading at $39.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.